Hello everyone, this is Isabel. I'm at PTC 2026 in Hawaii. And today I'm joined by Henry Bahnasawy. He's a graduate student from Germany. Henry, welcome to my hotshot.
Thanks a lot for having me, Isabel.
So Henry, I think you recently completed a GDI certificate empowered by Suboptic and delivered by Berkeley University. Can you tell us what it's all about and why it's so important?
Yeah, sure. So the GDI certificate is a program that helps students to understand how the internet actually works. So it focuses on the backbone of the internet, on things like data centers, submarine cables, and cable landing stations. The important thing about that program that it connects theory with real-world practice. So we learn directly from the people that actually operate and build these global networks. And for me, the program changed how I look at the internet, not as something abstract, but as something critical that shapes economies and societies.
Okay. And you recently wrote an amazing article about the fragility of West Africa's digital infrastructure. What were your key findings?
So the key finding was that all countries in West Africa are connected by submarine cables, but many of them not in a resilient way. So alongside the West African coast, there are 6 countries that still rely on a single submarine cable, the ACE cables. And the problem is, if there's an outage of the ACE cable, these countries entirely lose their access to the global internet.
That's super interesting. So you've been at PTC for a few days now. And you've been around talking to the telecom executive. Are there any assumptions you had about the industry that has changed?
So before I came to PTC, I thought the biggest challenge is actually building more infrastructure. But what I learned here in the last day, that it's not about just building the infrastructure. It's about working together and the governance and the regulatory aspects of the digital infrastructure.
Okay. So for all the young people watching us today, if you could tell them one thing, what would it be?
So I would say the digital infrastructure industry is a very exciting field to work in because you have the possibility to change how the internet works in the future.
And we thank you for a great interview. It's your first interview. I think you did amazing.
Thank you very much.
Everyone, thank you for watching, and until my next hotshot.